Hey, it's Michael here. This is just a quick little review of the WooZoo Glow fan. I got this over at Costco. This is actually by the company Iris. And it's true. It's pretty powerful and it's pretty quiet. And for a price of about, I think it was $50 retail at the time. Well, wholesale at Costco, but you could just buy one of them. It was something that I thought I'd try out. Plus, look at it. It's extremely cute. It's very small. Comes with a remote control that controls all the functions. It's actually more functional using the remote control than it is using the main unit. So there's 5 different power modes on here that you can see. I'll go ahead and power it on. So that's at the maximum. That's about how loud it gets, but it's super powerful. It reminds me of Vornado. And then you have a timer function that has 1, 2 to 4 hours of automatic turn off time. And then you also have a simulate the wind function. And then you have the oscillating function that will oscillate up, down, and left and right for full-on coverage, a good coverage of a room. So it does a pretty good job. Okay, so you got the oscillation. It's pretty amazing. 82 feet away. I believe that. I didn't test it myself. And the oscillation. Now, there is one major problem with this, and that is, if you put everything aside, for the price, it's not bad. But one really annoying thing with this is, for me, where I have to take it apart, is actually when you press any button, it makes a beep. And when it turns off, it makes a beep. You do the sleep timer, it makes a beep. Anything you do on here does a beep, and there's no way to turn it off unless you take the unit apart and basically disable the beeping. Something I could totally do. But there's another really annoying thing about that. Because this has that functional capability of doing the multi-angle oscillation on here, you can't actually just move the head any which way you want. If you do, you'll break it. So you just kind of have to leave it as is, or actually have to press these buttons on here to adjust it, which gets pretty annoying pretty quick. So for instance, if I want it to go up and down, I got to press it like that. I got to just remember the sequence of buttons that I press. And as you can see, it'll oscillate up and down. Now, if I want to get to a perfect angle, it's a combination of pressing all these buttons to get it just right. And that's pretty frustrating. It's easier on the remote control though, but I still find it really frustrating to get it at the right angle, where I would like it if this was be able to just like be adjustable just by old-fashioned way, pointing it to where you want. That would have been pretty awesome. That and beep, and also the sound that it makes in the quiet of the night, because it is really quiet. I don't know if you can hear it. Can you hear it? So it makes that sound. And there's nothing you can do about it. So for those reasons, this is why I'm not recommending or keeping the WooZoo Glow fan. I'd rather just go for something a little bit cheaper, like the Vornado.